If you would like to purchase this product, use the product link in the description below. It will help support our channel. Or you can support us on patreon.com/. Look at what we found in the closet. Alinco DJ-S41 UHF transceiver. What's it have? 6 or 7 memory channels? 10 memory channels? I don't remember. Looks like I got a bunch of that's Moncton repeater, I can tell that by the frequency. That might be Newfane. That's my All-Star node frequency. National Simplex calling frequency 440. I don't remember what that one is. That's Killington UHF AA1PR testing. Of course, nobody comes back to you because the repeater system, even though it's linked, is dead. Rutland UHF. That's Moncton. It's calling frequency 2, 3, 4, 5 channels. 2 calling frequencies. And of course my daughter stuck her stickers on it because I gave it to her to try to entice her into the hobby about 8 years ago. Oh my god. You know, the cool thing is it runs off AA batteries. So I was going to have readily available batteries as long as you're not out in the middle of the woods somewhere.